welcome Dino D, American in the Philippines YouTube channel. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and leave a comment. Even I'm grateful for that. Alright, so I had a package that came in yesterday from Go Express that I ordered from Lazada. We're going to do a little unboxing. This is called a Fudgee bar here in the Philippines. I kind of think this is their Philippine Twinkie. So without further ado, we're going to open up our package and we'll compare the two. Now the package cost me 635 pesos, so these are not cheap. My lovely partner here has obliged me. She's actually going to open the package for me because she wants one of whatever is in that package really bad. So before she goes to work, maybe she can have one. Here's your scissors. So let's open this package up. Yeah, it doesn't matter, just open it, rip it, tear it, whatever it takes. And there's probably a box inside. And let's hope that they're not smashed. Cut the tape off of there. And then once she finally gets all this tape cut off of here, there's more tape right over here. There. And there's a brown paper bag.
Twinkle, 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 little star.
We're almost there. Oh my god, now we got the bubble wrap. Twinkies, Hostess Twinkies from the US. 635 pesos. There's 10 Twinkies in there. The box does not look like it's in very good shape. I hope they're not smashed to hell and back. Alright, so now she's going to open up the package and see what a real Twinkie looks like.
Looks like Fudgee boy.
Yeah, it looks like a...
Smash.
Oh my god, it got smashed.
Flat!
My gosh. Alright, that's it. We don't need any more out. Alright, so now we're going to do a little comparison here. The Fudgee bar. So we're going to open up the Fudgee bar here. This is what a Fudgee bar looks like. Kind of like a smashed Twinkie. It's got some paper on there. Now let's open up our Hostess Twinkie. Oh yeah, the Fudgee bar, as you can see, it shows some type of filling in there. Don't believe that. There is no filling. I have to use scissors to open this up. Smash my Twinkies. How dare they?
Your scissor. How much is that?
630. Yeah, you know how much they are in the US? 100 pesos.
Each?
No, for all 10. Package. As you can see with the real Twinkie from the US, see that's where they put the filling at. See, filling. Now let's cut into our beautiful Fudgee bar here. There's some dry looking pasty kind of filling in there. Oh yeah, the Fudgee bars are probably like 60 pesos for 10. Now the Twinkie has a nice vanilla cream inside. No, you cannot eat it yet. You can't have it yet.
Done.
No, you're not done. Come here. You have one more thing to do. So, honey, try a Twinkie. Your first Twinkie ever in the Philippines. No, you just eat it. Pick it up and eat it. Like you do with the Fudgee bar. How is that?
What's in there?
Vanilla cream?
Vanilla cream?
Yeah.
Not same in vanilla.
No. They have different flavors, but what do you think? You like the Twinkie or you like the Fudgee bar better?
Same.
Same? They're not same.
I eat all this and I eat also this.
No, I'm going to eat this.
So sweet.
Mmm.
Very sweet, just like cake.
Yeah, it's called a sponge cake. Twinkie for breakfast.